A journey through the world of hair care would be incomplete without a closer look at one vital product: hair conditioner. While shampooing your hair is essential for cleansing, it is conditioner that truly nourishes, protects, and transforms the health and feel of your locks. So, what exactly are the benefits of using a hair conditioner? And why should it be a staple in your hair care routine? First, let's understand what conditioner does at a fundamental level. Conditioners are formulated with moisturizing agents, proteins, oils, and various nutrients designed to replenish and fortify each hair strand. After shampooing, which opens up the hair cuticles to remove dirt and excess oil, conditioner seals those cuticles, locking in moisture and infusing the hair with essential nutrients. This dual action, cleansing with shampoo and restoring with conditioner, is what keeps hair balanced and healthy. One of the most prominent benefits of hair conditioner is improved moisture retention. Hair can become dry for various reasons: frequent washing, heat styling, environmental factors such as sun or wind exposure, and even diet. Conditioner helps counteract this dryness. By coating each strand, it seals in water, preventing dehydration and giving hair a softer and more supple feel. This is particularly important for individuals with textured or curly hair, which tends to lose moisture easily and needs extra hydration to remain manageable. Another key benefit is enhanced detangling and manageability. When hair is washed, the cuticle layer can become rough, causing strands to catch on each other and form knots. Conditioner smooths down this cuticle, resulting in a slicker, more slippery surface. This makes it much easier to detangle hair with a comb or brush, reducing the chance of breakage and split ends that can occur when tugging through tough knots. Anyone with long, fine, or curly hair will immediately notice the difference conditioner makes during the detangling process. Conditioner also plays a vital role in protecting hair from environmental damage. Every day, our hair is exposed to the elements: harsh sunlight, pollutants in the air, and even the friction of scarves or hats. Many conditioners are formulated with specific ingredients that provide a light protective barrier, acting almost like an invisible shield. This barrier helps prevent the penetration of damaging particles and minimizes moisture loss caused by wind and sun exposure. Some conditioners even include UV protectants, offering an extra layer of defense for color-treated or delicate hair. Frizz control is another advantage that can't be overstated. Frizz occurs when the cuticle is lifted, allowing moisture from the air to enter the hair shaft and disrupt its smooth texture. Since conditioner smooths down the cuticle and reduces porosity, hair is less likely to absorb excess moisture from the air, resulting in a sleeker, shinier appearance. This makes conditioner especially important for those living in humid climates or anyone prone to unruly, flyaway strands. Shine and vibrancy are also hallmarks of conditioned hair. Healthy hair reflects light better, appearing shinier and more radiant. Conditioner enhances this property by smoothing the hair cuticle, allowing light to reflect evenly off the surface. For those with color-treated hair, conditioner helps maintain and even intensify the vibrancy of your chosen shade. Specialized formulas are available to help lock in color molecules, preventing fade and prolonging the time between dye jobs. Repair and strengthening are crucial benefits, especially for damaged or chemically treated hair. Conditioners often contain proteins such as keratin, silk, or wheat protein, which help fill in gaps along the hair shaft caused by wear and tear. Regular use of such conditioners can rebuild strands, making them stronger and less prone to snapping or splitting. If your hair has been weakened by bleaching, perming, or excessive heat styling, a fortifying conditioner can make a significant difference in bringing it back to life. Scalp health is an often overlooked yet vital aspect. A good conditioner doesn't just work on the hair shaft, it can benefit your scalp as well. Lightweight leave-in conditioners or formulas intended for scalp application can soothe irritation, combat dryness, and restore the natural protective barrier of the skin. Ingredients like aloe vera, tea tree oil, or menthol offer extra calming benefits, providing relief to those who experience itchiness or flaking. For those who style their hair frequently, conditioner serves as a preparatory step for heat protection. Conditioners create a base layer that helps buffer the intense heat from hair dryers, straighteners, or curling irons. Some conditioners are infused with thermal protectants that further reduce heat-induced damage, making them a smart choice for anyone who uses styling tools regularly. Volume and bounce are qualities that can be achieved when the right conditioner is chosen. Fine-haired individuals often fear conditioner will weigh their hair down. However, lightweight or volumizing conditioners provide the needed moisture without buildup, helping hair appear fuller and more energetic. Conversely, those with thicker or harder-to-tame hair can use richer conditioners to maximize smoothness and definition. It's important to remember that not all conditioners are created equal. The right conditioner for you depends on your hair type, texture, and specific concerns. There are formulas for curly, straight, color-treated, fine, thick, dry, or oily hair. Understanding your hair's unique needs ensures you get the maximum benefits from each conditioning session. Finally, conditioner can contribute to a more pleasant sensory experience. Silky, conditioned hair not only looks and feels healthier, but is also easier to style and maintain. The process itself is often soothing. Massaging conditioner into the scalp and through the lengths can serve as a small moment of self-care, providing relaxation as well as tangible improvements in hair quality. In sum, the benefits of hair conditioner are numerous and impactful. Increased moisture and softness, easier detangling, enhanced protection, frizz control, more shine, color retention, repair and strengthening, scalp health, heat defense, the right level of body, and even a boost to your overall sense of well-being. By making conditioner a regular part of your hair care routine, you are investing in the long-term health, resilience, and beauty of your hair, allowing your unique style to shine through, no matter the challenges your hair faces every day.